Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting fast and organized. Open Binance on desktop, make sure you're on the official site or app. Click Login, then Forgot Password or Account Recovery. Start with Email Reset if accessible. If 2FA is lost, choose the 2FA recovery path. Once done, gather verification evidence, recent deposits, withdrawal ID, and account creation details because Binance will ask for them to confirm ownership. Move deliberately. This speeds verification and prevents extra delays. Next, follow the detailed verification process. Upload your ID and a live selfie when prompted. Make sure the ID edges and text are legible because automation checks those details. Fill the recovery form with precise dates and transaction examples. Binance compares these to on-chain and internal logs. If you lost 2FA, explain when and how, include old device model, and note any SIM changes. Keep your tone factual. Clear answers reduce back and forth and cut overall wait time. Finish by following Binance's final instructions. Reset your password, set up a new 2FA method, and store recovery codes offline. Make sure to enable anti-phishing code and update linked devices. If your request is denied, file an appeal promptly. Attach extra proof like transaction hashes and customer support case ID. One key troubleshooting tip: if automated verification fails, escalate with clear, time-stamped evidence and ask for manual review. Manual reviews take longer, but they resolve complex ownership disputes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.